Is everyone okay?
Yes.
Hey, Blind.
What?
Can I have you? Isa. Also, Blind, are you nervous when the game is to start now? Let's get started now.
Oh my god, it's a PM. Let's get started now.
Alright guys, we're here in fire stakes. Wow. Oh my god, El, we are gonna be falling. Yes. Oh my god, I'm falling. Helicopter, fall hand in fire stakes.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Run for life! Bang! We need to explode! We need to spin now!
Alright!
Wahoo! That's so faster!
Oh my god, we're gonna be crashing.
Don't worry, I'm on my pirate boy.
Alright, playing the music! DJ Mega Mix!
Long time for the Gummy Bear Mega Mix, and here it is. Are you ready for the Gummy Bear Mega Mix?
Oh my god! The sad classy 7 is we need to broken the windows.
Alright, hammer!
Yay! I'm back now! Where am I? Alright, let's get started the PM! Hey dude, I'm just insulting you.
Yes, I'm so boring, bene cuice.
Yes, when I with for the friends.
Run.
Let's get Germany. That's a possible bikinis.
Wow, classy 7 like new.
What is that right there? Oh, thank you.
Here, wanna carry?
Let's walk.
Ow, my hurts. Oh my god, what happened? I'm just a car crashing from my fault. Oh guys. This is this place in the New York City. This is all my fault. Are you hurt? I just play Run Bay on my phone. Alright.
Yes. Run.
Wait, it's you!
What's that?
Oh my god! It's Classy Seven Nightmare!
Hey, Julius, do you think?
Good afternoon, Classy Seven Nightmare! If you mean this, I see a joyous story thing. Click this bell on. I'm just staying in the forest. I'm just quiet alone in the forest. God, a robot Classy Seven.
Run. Oh my god! Run. Run.